Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kelsey Jo from Kelsey Jo & Co. I am a lifestyle, style, and beauty blogger and now YouTuber. I will leave my blog listed down below in the description box if you are interested in checking it out. And also, please consider subscribing if you are new here. Now today is going to be kind of an exciting video, at least for me, because I am going to be unboxing my first ever BoxyCharm box. This box is pretty large and I am like so excited. So since this was my first order, I was able to pick either a skincare item or an eyeshadow palette. And I've always wanted to try this brand of eyeshadow palettes. Also, if you aren't familiar with BoxyCharm, it is where you pay a monthly fee. I have the very basic box until I kind of see how I like it. And it's $25 a month for $125 worth of products. Like I said, this is the first time I've gotten a BoxyCharm box, so I just wanted to see how I liked it and try it out for myself. But anyway, since I was a first time order, I got to pick either an eyeshadow palette or a skincare item, and I am like obsessed with makeup. So this is by Storybook Cosmetics. They are very famous for making their eyeshadow palettes look like books. I am a huge bookworm. I love to read books, so obviously I get very excited when I see two of my favorite hobbies, I guess, in one thing. Anyways, this is the Fairy Tales eyeshadow palette. Wow. Wow. Like, I don't want to touch it. It's so pretty. I think I'm going to take pictures of it first and then insert a clip of the swatches after I take pictures, because I want to take pictures of it before I mess it all up. These are the Evio Skin Aurora Refreshing Cleansing Hemp Wipes. And I love makeup wipes, but I can be very picky about them only because I don't like the ones that are like too dry, and I feel like I have to sit there and just like rub at my face, and then it just irritates my skin. So it's gonna sound kind of weird, but I like the makeup wipes that are really wet and they just remove my makeup so easily. The next thing is the First Aid Beauty, which I love First Aid Beauty. I've used them many times in the past. These are the Facial Radiance Pads. They help exfoliate, tone, and brighten. I'm all about exfoliating and toning, and oh my gosh, I'm so excited for these. The Ciate London Everyday Vacay, oh my gosh, coconut setting powder. I am like all about that coconut. So this packaging is absolutely beautiful. It's very dainty and feminine. I'm gonna smell it and see if it smells like coconuts. Oh, of course, there's a little tab thing on it. That smells wonderful. This powder I think is gonna be really nice. I've heard a lot of good things about this setting powder actually. I've seen it before. Sephora sells Ciate, and I've seen it before. I've read some reviews on it. So I'm excited to try it out for myself. All right, so, these brushes are beautiful. These are by the brand Alamar, and they're like the prettiest like chrome bronze. Like, I can't even get over this. So we've got the bronzer brush. It's got like little tiny bumps on it. I'm not really sure what the purpose of that is. I'm gonna have to look that up. We have the Complexion brush. I like to use brushes like this for my blush because I feel like I can get right under the apples of my cheeks and kind of blend my blush upwards. And this is the brightening brush. So I'm wondering if this can be used for highlighter. This would be probably good for highlighter or setting the under eyes with setting powder. These are gorgeous brushes, you guys. And the last thing in my box here, it's humongous for one, but it is the iconic London eyeshadow palette. Day to Slay eyeshadow palette. I will again insert clips of the products up close so you can see them a lot better and include swatches, but that was my first BoxyCharm unboxing. And I seriously cannot wait until my next box arrives because this was amazing and so much fun to do. I also did order a couple things from like their pop-up shop, which is online. Like you go to their menu and it's like BoxyCharm pop-up. You can get past boxes for a discount. You can get past products, just I think products in general for a discount. So I ordered a couple things that were like 80% off and I am so excited for them to get here. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.